Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing three of the most popular buy now pay later apps: Klarna, Afterpay, and ZIP. To help you figure out which one is best in 2025, we'll break down their features, fees, pros, cons, and I'll give you my final verdict at the end. So let's get into it. Klarna overview. Klarna is known for its flexible payment options. You can pay in 30 days, or even finance larger purchases over time. It's available in tons of stores online, integrates well with shopping apps, and even offers a Klarna card in some regions. What I like about Klarna is its clean interface and spending insights, helping you manage payments easily. However, it can charge late fees if you miss a payment, and approvals can vary depending on your spending habits. Afterpay overview. Afterpay keeps things simple. You pay in 4 equal installments over 6 weeks with no interests as long as you pay on time. It's widely accepted both online and in stores, and it is great for people who prefer straightforward plans without hidden costs. But here's the catch: late fees can add up quickly, and Afterpay doesn't offer as many flexible options as Klarna. ZIP overview. Finally, ZIP, previously known as QuadPay. ZIP lets you split payments into 4 over 6 weeks, but unlike Afterpay, it charges a small fee per installment, usually around $1. The advantage: ZIP can be used virtually anywhere by generating a one time code, giving you more shopping freedom. On the downside, those small fees can make it slightly more expensive in the long run. Comparison and verdict. So, which one is best in 2025? If you want flexibility and a polished app, go with Klarna. If you want something simple, interest free, and widely accepted, Afterpay is your best bet. And if you want universal usage and do not mind a small fee, ZIP gives you the most freedom. In short, Klarna equal best overall flexibility, Afterpay equal best for everyday shoppers, ZIP equal best for versatility. So which one do you use, Klarna, Afterpay, or ZIP? Drop your experience down below in the comments, and do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on this bell icon to get all the new videos and comparisons like this. And thank you for watching, and see you in a new comparison.